Hi, today's video is an unboxing, so if you want to see what's in the bag, stick around. So, thank you for watching or coming back or whatever the case may be. I am not one of those people who will spend 20 minutes yammering about something to get to the good stuff. So, here we go. This is the bag. I'm sure we've all seen the holiday packaging. It's beautiful. And here's the box. And of course, it came with the receipt and one of those. Well, I'm sure I spoiled it now if it's got a care thing, but it's in the bag. And I just wanted to share with you the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder in Empreinte leather. I got one to match my husband's. So that's what was in the bag. I'm so excited. Oh my God, it smells like heaven. And I should have got it heat stamped, but I didn't because I didn't go to my normal store. I went to the new one, which is down in Waikiki on Kalakaua, and they had their grand reopening on Friday. And that store is just stinking gorgeous. I mean, from the moment you walk in, all upstairs, everywhere, it's beautiful. I'll try to insert some pictures at the end of the video, but it is gorgeous. So I am happy. Yes, I am happy because when my husband got one for his birthday, I coveted that thing, shamelessly, but it is beautiful. Oh, and she still has the plastic on the button, so I'm gonna leave that on until the wheels fall off, basically. So that's that. And for those of you who want to catch up on the end of this beautiful Christian Louis Vuitton bag story, I'll catch you up real quickly. I bought the bag in New York. The bag came to the house and it was ridiculously destroyed, the box that they put it in. So the SA said, okay, we will send you out another one after a little bit of static. You know, of course, that's her job to not give me a free box, but I want the box because I gave you a lot of money for that bag. So, okay, so she sends me another box. And unfortunately, I'm sure you can see, this is the first one. And the second one had a smaller rip in it, but the lip was still ripped. And I texted her, and her response was, "We will not send you a third box." And I was like, okay. Okay. You cannot use 1 inch of bubble wrap or common sense, but I'm the bad guy because I wanted it perfect when I warned you that I was picky. Okay. So what did I do? I drove all the way to Saks in Waikiki and returned it and totally repurchased it. I rebought the exact same bag. I didn't even have them, take it out of the box or anything. But what I did, I returned it so that my Saks SA here locally could get credit for that sale because, yes, I am being Queen Petty, Petty Crocker, or El Petty and the Heartbreakers. I'll take all three. I didn't feel that that SA should get my commission off a sale that big and act like giving me an empty box was like giving me a kidney. I found that unacceptable. So if that's me being petty, boop, put the crown on. That's what it is. And then Saks in Waikiki is maybe 5 stores down from Christian Louboutin. So after they switched it out so that my regular SA, my new SA, in her name, oh, I won't say her name, but my Saks SA in Waikiki got credit for the sale. I turned and walked right down to Christian Louboutin, asked the boy very nicely to switch my box out, and they sure did. So this box is perfect. It is a little bit bigger than the original box, but I could care less. And she fits in perfectly. So, yes, that was me being extra. Yes, that was a lot of effort. But I was going into Waikiki anyway because I wanted to get that key holder. And I just didn't like what happened. I didn't appreciate her attitude. I didn't like the way that her and another salesperson kind of bickered about the sale right in front of, well, they were away, but we could hear them. And I just thought it was a very unprofessional situation all the way around. And I think that going forward, I will either wait until I get home to get something, or yeah, I'll either wait till I get home, or if it's something exclusive, then maybe I'll buy something on the mainland. But yeah, I that whole situation just left a bad taste in my mouth about Saks. So that was terrible, but on to something awesome. So I mentioned that I went to the new Louis Vuitton store in Waikiki, and my Christmas gift from Santa is in this bag. I'm not going to unbox it until it's closer to Christmas because that was Santa's deal. But I will say this, it is a bag that is a bag, but they made an exclusive for Hawaii, an exclusive to that Gump building store only. So no other store, not on Maui, not Ala Moana, and not the Hilton has this bag. Yeah, it's pretty damn awesome too. So Santa was incredibly good to me this year. So I am just over the moon excited. And thank you for watching. And hopefully Santa will let me open my box soon, very soon. So I hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving. I hope you eat until you are filled to the gills. And I hope you guys don't go out on Black Friday. I hope that you spend the whole weekend with your families, telling them that you love them, sitting on your sofas, watch cartoons, watch football, do something with your family instead of spending the night on the ground with strangers to save $50 on a VCR or a DVD player or a Blu-ray player or a Barbie dream house or whatever it is. I've done it. I did it one time and I realized that I would, after that once, that was enough for me. I'll never do it again. And there's nothing that I want that badly. Big screen TVs go on sale at President's Day. And Old Navy has a sale every day. So there's nothing that would make me want to spend the night on the ground with a bunch of strangers when I can be snuggled up next to my Santa on the sofa all day, Friday and Saturday. So I hope you guys have a great Turkey Day. Aloha.